Hello, welcome to my channel. You have tuned into ENB, Enhancing Natural Beauty. Today I am going to show you how to shape your brows. There are a few things that you are going to need in order to do this, so let's get started. First thing first, you are going to need some wax. I am using the GG Wax All-Purpose Honey. You'll need an eyebrow razor, a white eyeliner, a couple pair of tweezers. I have here an angled pair of tweezers and some pointed tip tweezers. A waxing stick, eyebrow trimmers, cotton balls, waxing strips, an eyebrow brush, baby oil, and lastly, alcohol. So this is just how my brows look right now. I am going to brush them into place. Using my white eyeliner, I am going to draw a shape around the underneath of my brows to my liking. This shape provides a guide for when you apply your wax. And when you apply the wax, you only want to apply it onto the areas below the white line and on the white line. So just breaking your waxing stick in half, because I don't like to double dip. You want to keep your wax nice and hygienic. Go ahead and begin to place that directly onto the line and below. Using your waxing strip, you want to rub it firmly onto the waxed area. Pull your skin a little taut and rip it off. This wax is actually very gentle on your skin, so you don't have to worry about it hurting too much. I guess I've just become accustomed to it. But moving on to the next eye, using a clean stick, just repeat the process. My brows are already starting to take shape. Now using a clean cotton ball, put a bit of oil on it to remove any remaining wax from the lower part of your eyebrow. And I'm actually going to go in with just a little bit more liner because there are a few hairs that I miss, and I'll just tweeze those ones away. Alright, and now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows down. That way I can line the very top of my eyebrows. Now taking your eyebrow razor, just follow along the outline that you've placed at the top of your eyebrow. You don't want to go past the white line. And use very short and small strokes because you don't want to accidentally shave off your brow. I've actually done that once and it was terrible. Using a clean cotton ball, spray a little bit of alcohol on it and wipe over the top of your brows. This will help prevent any type of razor bumps or anything like that. Now I'm just going to brush my brows into place, brushing them upwards. That way when I go to trim my hairs, like anything that's sticking outside of the shape, you just clip away. And it just makes your brows very uniform, nice and neat. And now you just want to repeat that same process, but with the lower part of your eyebrow. Brushing your hairs down, any hairs that stand out on the outside of the lower part of your shape, just clip them away. And that's all that there is to it. Shaping your brows yourself can be a very simple process if you take your time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. And most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.